So in this video, you'll learn how to set up the fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A07. So if you want to add a layer of security by using the fingerprint feature, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to start by navigating to the Settings app. Then from here, you want to scroll and select the option Lock Screen. From Lock Screen, tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, and then select Fingerprints. Now, in order for you to have a fingerprint, you first need to have a screen lock type, whether it's a PIN, password, or pattern. If you don't have that already made on your phone, then you can choose one of these options: PIN/fingerprints, password/fingerprints, or pattern/fingerprints. So it's up to you to decide which one you'd prefer to use, and then just select it. And then go through the process of setting up any of these options on your device. If you already have a lock screen type already added onto your phone, then all you need to do is just tap on continue like that. And then from here, tap on continue again and go through the process of setting up the fingerprint. So the fingerprint sensor is on the side button of your phone. So go ahead and put the finger that you wish to register there to start the process of scanning your fingerprint. As you're scanning your fingerprint, remember to place the finger and then remove it, and then place the finger again, so you go through the process of successfully registering your fingerprint. Ensure you're putting it in different angles so that the fingerprint is as accurate and well registered as possible. And then once you've successfully registered your fingerprint, you can choose to add more fingerprints if you want, or you can just tap on done to save the changes. So whenever you want to unlock your device, you can choose between the option of using the password, PIN, or pattern, or you can just use the fingerprint of that's currently registered to unlock your phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.